Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Greek salad using an easy method. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need crisp cucumbers, ripe tomatoes, and a thinly sliced red onion. Don't forget the essential Kalamata olives and a generous block of creamy feta cheese. For the dressing, we'll combine good quality olive oil, red wine vinegar, and a few key seasonings to bring all the flavors together beautifully. Now let's get to the preparation. Start by chopping your cucumbers and tomatoes into roughly 1-inch pieces. Aim for uniform sizes so every bite is balanced. Next, thinly slice about 1/2 of a red onion. This adds a nice crunch and a subtle sharpness without overpowering the other flavors. If your Kalamata olives aren't pitted, take a moment to remove the pits for easier eating. With your vegetables prepped, it's time to assemble our vibrant Greek salad. Gently combine the chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, and sliced red onion in a large mixing bowl. Add the pitted Kalamata olives. Now, crumble a generous 6-ounce block of fresh feta cheese directly over the vegetables. This ensures a creamy, salty burst in every forkful. Finally, pour your homemade dressing over everything, ready for a gentle toss. The final step is to dress your beautiful Greek salad. Pour the prepared dressing evenly over all the ingredients. Using large tongs or 2 spoons, gently toss everything together until the vegetables and feta are lightly coated. Serve your fresh Greek salad immediately to enjoy its crisp textures and bright flavors. It's perfect as a side or a light, refreshing meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.